Set to go, penultimate race. 1,200 meters is the dispatch. And they're up. Sultry Julia draws for your lead. One slow out. Dalagang Bukid. Back to the leaders. Sultry Julia in command by 2. Running in second, Di Macchia Island. Down in third, Fusion Drive. Abacada. Racing in fourth, then running by Little Maker's Mark, followed by 3A Richard as they race towards the 600. Without pressure in front is the favorite Sultry Julia, maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Running now in second, Maker's Mark, Fusion Drive, Di Macchia Island. Abacada running second last, and in behind them is Richard as they race at the final corner with Sultry Julia still out in front, maintaining a length and a half lead. Running in second, Fusion Drive, Di Macchia Island running on the outside. Then by the release, Maker's Mark. Sultry Julia, Maker's Mark, making room by the rail, and down the stretch and hitting the finish line. Sultry Julia doing it from gate to wire. Second, Maker's Mark, then comes Fusion Drive, Abacada, Di Macchia Island, and
Okay, 7156, an official order of arrival in race number 6. Top choice.